Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for blouses. Guys, all you could see are very beautiful, mesmerizing and eye-catchy patterns of blouse embroidery designs. All of these blouse embroidery designs are front embroidery, back fully motif-based floral embroidery, sleeve embroidery, and different stylized patterns of motif and hand embroidery designs have been shown. So all I want from you is kindly watch the video till end so that you can get all the amazing, stylish, beautiful, and trendy ideas. So before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share because subscribers are very important. And with your love and support, we have reached at this level and we will continue to grow. We never reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose and motive of making videos and sharing design ideas with you is to share some creativity, design patterns, and beauty with you. I hope that you are getting the ideas and you are liking the whole concept of the embroidery. So these blouse embroidery patterns are simple, easy to make, beginner friendly hand embroidery patterns. You can combine these blouses with your churidar, kalidar dresses, with your maxis, with your full length frocks, with your medium and short length frocks as well as a combination of your yoke or as a very beautiful full fledged blouse of your sari. All of these stylized, beautiful, and comprehensive patterns of embroidery give a very elegant and decent view. I would recommend you to do try these patterns and share your experiences with us that which design you like the most and why. And